Question number 6. If x is equal to root 5 minus 2 divided by root 5 plus 2 and y is equal to this much, then find number 1 x square y square, number 3 xy, and number 4 x square plus y square plus xy. X square is equal to root 5 minus 2 divided by root 5 plus 2 whole square. We can apply the formula a minus b whole square in the numerator part and a plus b whole square in the denominator part. So root 5 whole square plus b square is 2 square minus twice ab twice root over 5 into 2 divided by root 5 whole square plus 2 square plus twice a into b. Root 5 whole square is equal to 5 plus 2 square equal to 4 minus 4 root 5, and here also 5 plus 4 plus 4 root 5, 9 minus 4 root 5 divided by 9 plus 4 root 5. So now we have to rationalize this and we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by a common factor 9 minus 4 root 5, so that we can apply the formula a square minus b square in the denominator. So this is also 9 minus 4 root 5. You see in the numerator it is a minus b into a minus b, so we can apply the formula a minus b whole square. So 9 square plus 4 root 5 squared minus twice ab, 2 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 4 root 5 divided by, in the denominator it will be a square minus b square. So 9 square minus, this is 81 plus, let's see, 4 root 5, 4 square multiplied by 5, so it will be 80 minus, this is 2 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 72 root 5 divided by 81 minus 80, so denominator will be 1, so we can write 81 plus 80 is 161 minus 72 root over 5. Similarly, you can find out y square, 161 plus 72 root over 5. So now we'll do number 3, that is equal to xy. X is equal to root 5 minus 2 divided by root 5 plus 2, y root 5 plus 2 divided by root 5 minus 2. Now if you multiply this, then you can see this is a minus b multiplied by a plus b, so it will be a square minus b square. So root 5 square minus b square is root over 2 square. In the denominator that is a plus b multiplied by a minus b, so it will be again root 5 whole square minus 2 square. So both denominators are and numerators are same, but still you can write it is 5 minus 4 divided by 5 minus 4 equal to 1 divided by 1 equal to 1. So we get x plus y is equal to 1. Now we can find out x square plus y square plus xy, and that is equal to x square is 161 minus 72 root over 5 plus y square, that is equal to 161 plus 72 root 5 plus xy, and that is equal to 1. So here this one get cancelled, plus minus, so this is equal to 161, 161 and plus 1, 323. Question number 7. If m is equal to 1 upon 3 minus 2 root 2 and n is equal to 1 upon 3 plus 2 root 2, find m square, n square and mn. So first let us find m square is equal to 1 divided by 3 minus 2 root 2 whole square. In the numerator it will be 1 only, and in the denominator that is a minus b whole square. So 3 square plus 2 root 2 whole square minus 2 into 3 into 2 root 2. 1 divided by 3 square is 9. 2 square and 2. 2 square and root 2 square, that will be equal to 8. Minus 2 into 3 into 6 equal to 12 root 2. So that is equal to 1 divided by 9 plus 8 is equal to 17 minus 12 root 2. Now here you have to do the rationalization. So you multiply by 17 So this will be 1, 17 plus 12 root 2. Similarly, if you find n square, then you will get this is equal to 17 minus 12 root 2. Now let us solve number 3. mn is equal to, so what is m? m is equal to 1 upon 3 minus multiplied by, so you simply do the multiplication. So in the numerator this 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, and denominator is a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So this is a square minus 2 root 2 square 1 divided by 9 minus 8 is equal to 1 upon 1 equal to 1. So we get mn is equal to 1. Okay, number 8. If x is equal to 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2, find 1 upon x, x plus 1 upon x, and x plus 1 upon x whole square. So first we'll do 1 upon x, 1 divided by 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2. 2 common, 3 plus root 2. Let us multiply both numerator and denominator by root 3 minus root 2. Root 3 minus root 2, and this is 2 is common. You say this is a plus b into a minus b, so root 3 square minus root 2 whole square minus root 2 divided by 2. Root 3 square equal to 3, root 2 square equal to 2, root 3 minus root 2 divided by 2. Now we have to find x plus 1 upon x. So number 2, so x is equal to 2 common, root 3 plus root 2 plus 1 upon x is root 3 minus root 2 divided by 2. 2 is the LCM, 2 it will be 4, and this is root 3 plus root 2 plus root 3 minus root 2. 2, so this is 4 root 3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 3 minus root 2. So 4 root 3 plus root 3, it is 5 root 3. 4 root 2 minus root 2 is equal to 3 root 2 divided by 2. Then number 3 is x plus 1 upon x whole squared, and this is equal to x plus 1 upon x is 5 root 3 plus 3 root 2 divided by 2 whole square. So you can apply the formula. A square is 5 root 3 whole square plus b square is 3 root 2 whole square plus twice a is 5 root 3 multiplied by 3 root 2 divided by 2 square equal to 4. So we can simplify this. Now question number 9. If x equal to 1 minus root 2, find the value of x minus 1 by x whole cube. So first let us, x we know. Now let us find 1 upon x, and that is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus root 2. So we can do the rationalization here. So let us multiply it by 1 plus root 2. In the numerator it is 1 minus root 2, and denominator is a square minus b square. So 1 square minus root 2 square. So this is equal to 1 minus root 2 divided by 1 minus 2. So this is equal to 1 minus root 2. Sorry, this is plus only. 1 plus root 2 divided by minus 1, or you can write minus 1 minus root 2. This is the value of 1 upon x. So now let us find the value of x minus 1 upon x. So x is given, that is equal to 1 minus root 2 minus 1 upon x. We get this one, minus 1 minus root 2 minus 1 minus root 2. So this is equal to 1 minus root 2 minus minus plus 1 minus minus plus root 2. So minus root 2 plus root 2 get cancelled, and we will get 1 plus 1 equal to 2. And therefore we have to find the value of minus 1 by x whole cube is equal to 2 cube is equal to 8. Now question number 10. If x is equal to 5 minus 2 root, find x square plus 1 upon x square. So let us first find the value of x square, and that is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6 whole square. So a minus b whole square, that is equal to 5 square plus, that is equal to 25 plus 1 upon x square. 1 upon x square is equal to 1 upon x square is equal to 49 minus 20 root 6. So we can do the rationalization. So multiply by 49 plus 20 root over 6. So this will be 1. So we get 49 plus 20 root over 6. This is 1 upon x whole square. But we have to find x square plus 1 upon x square. So x square is 49 minus 20 root 6. This is x square plus 1 upon x square is 49 plus 20 root over 6. So you see this one and this one will get cancelled, and finally you will get that is equal to 49 plus 49 is 98. Now question number 11. So that this minus this plus this minus this plus this is equal to 5. So in this case it is better to simplify or rationalize individually. So first we'll do the rationalization of the first term. So this one 1 upon 3 minus 2 root 2, and this is equal to 1 upon 3 minus 2 root 2. To rationalize, you multiply by 3 plus 2 root 2, both numerator and denominator. So the numerator is 3 plus 2 root 2 and denominator is 3 square minus 2 root 2 square, and this is 9 minus 8, so it will be 3 plus 2 root 2. Now you next take this one, 1 upon 2 root 2 minus 7. This is equal to, you do the rationalization, so multiply by 2 root 2 minus root over 7 plus root over 7. So this is equal to, divided by 2 root 2 whole square, which is equal to 8, minus root 7 whole square, which is equal to 7. So 8 minus 7 will be 1, and therefore this is equal to 2 root 2 plus root 7. Then next term is equal to, if you do the rationalization, this is equal to root 7 plus root 6. Then again you come to this one, so this you again do the rationalization, and you will finally get this is equal to root 6 plus root 5. And the last term is 1 upon root 5 minus 2 is equal to 1 and this will be equal to, so if you add all these terms in the left hand side, then that is equal to right hand side. Now you see, this is the first term, this is the second term, this is third term, this is fourth term, and this is the fifth term. That is the left hand side, this is the left hand side, and if you add them all, that means this minus this plus this minus this one and plus this one, then what will you get? You will get 3 plus 2 root 2 minus this one, that is minus 2 root 2 minus 7, then this one is plus minus root 7, then plus root 7 plus root 6, then this fourth term, that is minus, so minus root 6 minus root 5, then plus the fifth term, that is equal to plus root 5 plus. Now you see, this is get cancelled, again this is minus and this is plus, plus root 6 minus root 6, again minus root 5 and plus root 5, only left is 3 and 2, and this is equal to 5.